Good morning, friends. Today my lecture topic is electric vehicle in India. So as we see that the evolution has changes, and we first of all we talk about late 19th century. We use bullock carts, buffalo carts to as a mobility, and later in 20th century we come to the ICE engines, which is depends on fuel like petrol and diesel. Now into 21st century we have come to new technologies like electric vehicle and hybrid electric vehicle. So I will tell you about the electric vehicle, what is electric vehicle and how it is classified. In electric vehicle we usually depend on batteries as a electric source to run our electric motor as a propulsion to move our mobility. It is simple circuit which everyone can make an electric vehicle. We need only battery and motor and just four wheels to make our electric. But what we need more in electric vehicles, like we need proper batteries which do not harm environment. We need proper management electric circuits so that it cannot break or catch fire. So when it comes to safety, everyone need proper car. So in India, there are many companies which are working on electric cars, and still globally there are also companies like Elon Musk Tesla car, which is very hybrid and we can say very high-tech car in electric cars. When it comes to our Indian market, there are many cars like Tata electric cars, Mahindra electric cars, and as well as two-wheelers like Hero electric and Ather electric, which are play crucial role in developing nation. But if we talk about the electric cars, there are two electric cars. First is electric car and second one is electric hybrid car. Electric cars only need battery and electric motor, and electric hybrid car which include electric motor and batteries as well as fuel injection, also fuel as a second source of electric producing. When it comes to Indian government policy, now India is focusing on more electric vehicle because it is more friendly to environment, plus it is very okay. Electric cars play a crucial role in the global warming, plus as well as safety and noise pollution, because it do not make noise as well as do not emission CO2, which is very harmful to environment. Plus electric cars also inversely can we say data electric cars has grown much more in these 4 years, like 2016 to 2020. Now in 2016 it was only 1 lakh and now around it's 40 lakh. So we can say that according to data, when it was only in 1 lakh